everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means the world to me. So today I'm going to be filming, obviously, as you can tell by the title, a foxy eye makeup look. This look has been trending everywhere online and I want to try it because I've never really tried the inner corner like eyeliner thing, and I think that it would be super cute with the way that I'm gonna do my hair today. So if you want to see how I do my own foxy eye makeup look, make sure you just keep on watching. Also, remember, if you are not yet part of the family, to go subscribe. It is right down below next to my name, and put the post notifications on, which is the bell button, so you know whenever I upload. And let's get started. I bought these little clips from Walmart. Walmart come through. They were only $5. It was like $4 something for two. They came in a pack. They're so freaking cute. I was gonna wear my hoops today, but then I realized that it kind of like took away from the necklace, which I want the necklace to like draw the most attention to. So I'm just wearing like these rhinestone circle studs. I don't know if you can see. But anyways, let's get started with the makeup. I feel like my cat is always on my bed in my videos. I don't know if you can tell, but I did my eyebrows differently today. I tried to do more of a straight brow and try to give myself like a DIY eyebrow lift without shaving half of my eyebrow, because I don't want to do that. I'm gonna look ridiculous without makeup on. There's a fly in my room. You can see the little hairs that are coming down from my natural eyebrow line. I tried so hard to conceal them, but it didn't really work. I'm gonna get started with my eyes because my eyes are gonna be super dramatic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime them with the concealer. I'm just going in with my Maybelline Age Rewind. Oh, I forgot. I wanted to wear contacts today, so I'm gonna go put them on really quick. Okay, so my contacts are on finally. These are the TTDI contacts in Iris Gold Brown. These are my absolute go-to favorite kind of brown hazel contacts. I love them so much. I feel like there's always that one contact that like fits like a glove, and then the other one just like gives you a hard time. If you know what I'm talking about, it's literally the most irritating thing ever, but it doesn't matter because they're on now. I'm going in with my Morphe palette, and I'm gonna take this shade and just work it into the transition. I'm gonna like really bring it out here to the tail, the eyebrow tail, because I want this look to be really lifted. So I'm gonna just like drag it out there like that, a little farther and higher than I usually do. And I'm gonna go in with this darker shade. I'm just gonna pack that onto my outer area, and I'm really gonna try and bring that out to my eyebrow bone. And now I'm just gonna blend that together. Now I'm going to carve my crease, and I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm gonna use this with a concealer brush and just carve out my eyelids. So now that our eyelids are carved, I'm gonna go in with this dark brown shade and give some depth to my outer V area, and also blend that harsh concealer line that we have on our eyelid from the concealer. I'm gonna go in with a neutral yellow kind of skin tone shade and just set that onto the concealer that I just carved onto my crease area. Now is the part that puts this whole entire look together, which is the eyeliner. So I'm taking this Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to make a really big, long, uplifted, dramatic, sharp wing. Let's pray and hope that I don't mess this up. I just drew a line right there on my inner corner. I'm just gonna make a little triangle on it. It doesn't really have like a defined inner corner, so I kind of have to like define it myself. Now I'm just making my eyeliner a lot thicker on my eyelids, which I never do, but it honestly just like looks better with the whole inner corner thing. It's like super hot in my room right now, but I don't want to open my window because the birds outside are just going nuts, and you can like really hear them if I open it. So I'm sweating balls in here. I think it looks like weird right now because I don't have eyelashes on, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and hopefully we don't mess up, because this eye was actually surprisingly like pretty good. Okay, so I look a little crazy. Oh my god, my eyeliner's on my freaking eyelid again. I don't even care. So yeah, this is just what the eyeliner looks like. I think it turned out like pretty good. I'm excited to see what it looks like. I'm just gonna take these lashes. This is what they look like, and I'm really sorry, but I don't have a name for them. They came in my wig review video. If you saw my e-girl makeup look video, they came in my wig and they didn't have a name or a label or anything. It was literally like a glitter packaging. So I'm sorry, but these are what they look like. I'm just gonna coat my lashes really quick before applying the false eyelashes. I'm actually lifting my eyelash at the ends of my eyes, like kind of aligning to my cat eye. So it's not on my actual waterline because I want my eye to look really, really lifted and like up. So I don't know if you can tell, but I like glued it onto my actual skin. Ooh, bitch. I look like fucking Cleopatra. Period. I'm feeling this. This is cute. Maybe we could be on chill tonight. Maybe we could be on chill. I need help. Shout out to Dough Baby for sending me their eyelash applicator. I used to like hate using tweezers and applicators for my eyelashes, and now I can't go back. Okay everyone, so this is the eye look with the eyelashes. I don't know why I act like I couldn't speak, but I literally feel like Janae Aiko, because if you like look at her makeup, she's always doing like this cat eye look, this inner corner like pointy black eyeliner stuff. So I'm feeling cute. I feel like I'm gonna look so different when I take my makeup off tonight. Oh my gosh. But anyways, yeah, so my eyelashes are low-key. Oh shit, my contact. Jeez. Concealer, concealer, where are you? Concealer. Okay. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna go kind of more heavy on the concealer today than I usually go, just because I mean, the makeup is already heavy. Why not go all out? But I'm just gonna blend that in. By the way, that was the Maybelline Age Rewind. Okay, by the way, I mixed these two foundations today. They're both drugstore and beautiful. This one's more heavy coverage. This one's more like kind of light to medium. Now I'm gonna conceal my chin, my upper lip, then down the bridge of my nose. And I'm just gonna do a little bit on my forehead. Going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour bronzer in the shade Cappuccino. Y'all know this is my most dramatic bronzer. I love it so much. It's okay if you get a little messy, because we're gonna go ahead and cut it, because we don't do messy contours here, boo. And then don't forget your chin and jawline. I just do a little bit to like chisel it out a little. And then don't forget the temples. And I'm just gonna cut like this. This is the Airspun powder in translucent, by the way. Make sure you snatch the frick out of that. And then I'm just gonna pat some powder under my eyes to pat in that concealer and give it a soft kind of finish. I'm gonna work on my nose because it's looking a little flat right now. I'm actually gonna go in with my Morphe palette because I think the bronzer shade that I used for my face is a little too dramatic. So I like to start going under here, and then I just like work my way up. I never want to use like a brown because that's gonna look way too dramatic, and then your nose is just gonna look dirty. I'm just gonna conceal my nose. So I'm gonna take my powder brush and brush away my powder. I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Blush, and this is in the shade Vintage Rouge. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. Obviously, don't forget your nose, because how can you forget to blush your nose? And then I like to go over it with my beauty blender. Now I'm gonna do my under eyes. So I'm gonna go in with my white eyeliner because I cannot live without this stuff. And I'm gonna put this on my waterline, but obviously not in the inner corner because I have that black eyeliner there already. I think this will enlarge my eyes a lot more. And then now I'm going to go in with bottom mascara. I'm just going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my bottom lashes. So we're going to move on to highlighter now. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight the tip of my nose. Oh, by the way, this is the LA Color Strobing Powder in the shade Champagne. This is literally one of my favorite highlighters, and it's so freaking cheap. You can find it at your beauty supply store. You can also get it at Ulta. And then I'm just highlighting my brow bone. I haven't been highlighting my cheeks lately. I'm just gonna do it a little bit. For my lips, I'm gonna go for kind of a brown pink gradient kind of lipstick. I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the shade, what is it in? Toast. And I'm just gonna put this all over my lips. And it honestly looks like super good already with the brown, but you guys know me. I love my pink shades in between. I'm taking my Morphe lipstick. This one is in the shade Honey, and I'm gonna slap that right in the middle of my lips like that. Okay, I think I need something more pink. So this is my Almay lipstick in the shade Skip the Gym, which is what I do all the time. I'm just kidding, but actually I've been doing at-home workouts a lot. Like, okay, this is not really. Okay, so this is Wet n Wild. It's Never Nude lipstick. Okay, here we go. I'm debating on which lip gloss to use. I have the Alamar Cosmetics one. This one is in the shade Las Des Nude Ass. I'm not even gonna try and say that. It's on the screen. I'm gonna swatch this one and see what we think about it. This one is super, super pretty. This one is more like a gloss though, the Milani one. Oh, the Milani one is like more gold kind of. And then the Alamar one is more like, okay, the Alamar one is like really pretty, but it would not look good with my lips. I feel like this one's more like a topper since I already like layered my lips with all that lipstick. So I'm definitely gonna go in with the Milani one. This one gives like a gold kind of lip. Ooh, I love it here. If you are new to this channel, go grab yourself the whole entire Milani gloss collection. I promise you, you're gonna feel like Kylie Jenner. Seriously though, I love them so much. I don't know like any other glosses that I would like. I mean, obviously I would wear other glosses, but these are like my go-to favorite glosses. I just love them so much. They make my lips look like they're literally 10 times bigger than like what they actually are. So I love that. This is the Fox Eye makeup look. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it's so crazy. It's so dramatic for what I usually do, but I did that, bitch. I did that, period. I didn't think it was gonna turn out like that good, but I'm not mad. I'm like pretty proud of myself. So I think it's just feels kind of weird right now because it's just so new to me and my eyes look so much bigger. Wow. So now we're gonna do the hair because it's looking a little jank over here. Ooh, where's my comb? Where's my brush? Oh, there it is. It's so funny how like you lose things literally that are sitting right in front of you when you're doing your makeup. Like, does anyone else feel that? Because that's me all the time. Like, I'll put something somewhere and then like it's right in front of me, but I'll spend like 10 minutes trying to find it. It's so annoying. So now we're just gonna move on to the hair. Before I talk anything about my hair, I just wanted to give a big thank you and shout out to Insert Name here for sending me their goodies. They're always sending me their goodies. I love them so much. So they sent me Brit and Molly Ponytail. If you watched my other Insert Name Here video, I demonstrated my review on Mia or Maya. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I had Maya, and she was a straight girl, but this girl, she's a curly one. I'm so excited because It's just so cute. It's so curly and pretty. And she looks so shiny and soft, and she's literally so soft. And she smells like new, like brand new stuff. Does that make sense? Like brand new hair. I don't know. If you buy extensions or wear wigs a lot, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, this is Brit. I forgot how long she is, but I will put her price, my discount code, and the length on the screen for you to check out. So yeah, thank you so much to Insert Name here for sending me this. I love it so much. So I'm just gonna put my hair up. I'll be right back. Now I'm just clipping and velcroing the hair around my real ponytail. Okay everyone, so I just laid or attempted to lay my edges. I don't think it looks that bad. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. I had so much fun recreating this look. Definitely not an everyday kind of wear look for me, but it was super fun to try out, and I'm super happy with the outcome. I really hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. It means so much to me. I just wanted to say thank you so much to Insert Name here for the Brit ponytail. It's gorgeous and it was so easy to install. But anyways, I love you all so much. Thank you so much for all of your support, and for 5,000 subscribers. I can't thank you enough. We're 5K away from my end goal for the year, so I just want to say thank you so much for that, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Gracie!